Hello everyone. So this is a K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project magnet pump operation. So let's see how it's done. Now before making the connections, I have taken this container full of water and I've submerged this water pump inside it and connected this pipe to it. Now let's make the wire connections. First, we will connect the power to the reed switch. Then the red wire of the water pump to the reed switch and the black one to the ground. Now, before turning the switch on by bringing the magnet towards it, we will hold this pipe on top of the container so that the water doesn't spill outside. Now, let's check if it works. I will bring this magnet near this reed switch to make it work. See how the water keeps circulating as long as I keep the magnet near the reed switch, and when I pull it away, it stops. And this is how it's done.